I don't know if you can see it, but that yardstick over there in front of the drift is 4 feet high and it's 6 inches above the 4 foot. So it's 4 foot 6 inches, almost 5 foot. And you can see Dan's car and Courtney's car on the other side of Dan's car. And if it goes till 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we ain't gonna see Dan's car or Courtney's car out there in the driveway. It's still blowing and it's still snowing heavy. It's too damn bad. This camera can't pick up. It doesn't have the light sensitivity to pick it all up. Oh well.